The leader who kept a nation from falling apart. Today's leader. Today's name is Abraham Lincoln, the president who led America through civil war and ended slavery. Pronounced Abraham Lincoln. Early life and education. Full name, Abraham Lincoln. Birth date, 1809-02-12. Birthplace, Hodgenville, Kentucky, USA. Parents, Thomas Lincoln and Nancy Hanks Lincoln. Siblings, Sarah Lincoln and Thomas Jr. Schools, Frontier Schools and self-taught reader. College, no formal college education. Legal training, self-taught lawyer. Marriage, Mary Todd Lincoln, 1842. Children, Robert, Edward, William, and Tad. Languages, English. Career and achievements. Career start year, 1830. Early roles, rail splitter, store clerk, and lawyer. Organizations, U.S. Congress and Republican Party. Movements, abolitionism, democracy, and unity. Key campaigns, Civil War, 1861-65, Emancipation and Gettysburg Address. Key dates, 1861, becomes president, 1863, emancipation, and 1865, assassination. Offices, positions, President of the United States and Commander-in-Chief. Imprisonments, faced assassination threats and immense wartime pressure. Negotiations, pacts, emancipation negotiations, and reconstruction plans. Publications, Gettysburg Address and Second Inaugural Address. Honors and awards. Presidential Medal of Honor, posthumous tributes. International impact, ended slavery, preserved democracy, and inspired freedom movements. Controversies, criticism. Criticized for wartime suspension of civil liberties. Legacy tags. Freedom, unity, democracy, and humanity. Philosophy and leadership. Core principles, equality, justice, perseverance, ethical tenets, integrity, compassion, duty. Leadership style, empathetic, resolute, humble. Decision approach, pragmatic, moral, strategic. Economic views, supported free labor, opposed expansion of slavery. Social reform focus, promoted equal opportunity, education, reconciliation, mass mobilization methods, public speeches, debates, letters. Communication style, simple, moral, emotionally powerful speech. Influences, thinkers, Bible, Declaration of Independence, spiritual beliefs, Christian faith and moral reasoning. Key terms, freedom, union, equality, democracy. Iconic quotes, government of the people, by the people, for the people. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not themselves. Notable speeches, Gettysburg Address, Second Inaugural Address, critiques and debates, debates on race and Reconstruction policies. Legacy and impact. Legacy philosophy, symbol of unity, freedom, and democracy. Global influence, inspired civil rights leaders and movements. Institutional impact, national monuments. Currency, schools, cultural representation, cultural icon of honesty and leadership. Quotes about him. He belongs to the ages, to Edwin Stanton. Memorials and honors. Lincoln Memorial, Washington, D.C. Springfield Tomb. Critiques after death. Critiques on Reconstruction. Constitutional debates. Passing and legacy tribute. Assassinated April 14, 1865, at Ford's Theater, Washington, D.C. Legacy lives on. His legacy of equality still guides America today. Subscribe for more inspiring stories of leadership.